In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Telegram without email using the fastest and most secure method available. If you've been trying to access Telegram on your computer or browser and you don't know what email to use, don't worry, Telegram doesn't rely on email login the same way many other apps do. Instead, you can sign in using your phone and a QR code in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want to access Telegram web or the desktop app quickly without entering a password or waiting for an email link. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram web in your browser or launch the Telegram desktop app on your PC or Mac. Once it loads, you should see a QR code displayed on the screen. This QR code is what you'll use to connect your phone to your Telegram session. Now, pick up your phone and open the Telegram app. On your phone, go to Settings, then tap Devices. This section is where Telegram lets you manage active sessions and connect new devices safely. Once you're in Devices, tap Add a Device. Your phone's camera scanner will open, and now all you need to do is point it at the QR code on your computer screen. Make sure the QR code is clearly visible and well-centered in the scanner. As soon as the code is recognized, Telegram will authenticate your session and log you in automatically. No email needed, no extra verification steps, and no complicated password reset process. After that, you'll be fully signed in and able to use Telegram on your computer right away. You can now chat, view groups, send files, and manage your account from the larger screen just like normal. If the QR code is not scanning, check that your phone camera has permission, your screen brightness is high enough, and that you're using the official Telegram app. Also make sure you're logged in on your phone already, because this method requires an existing Telegram account on mobile. That's really the key point here. Telegram login without email works through your phone as the trusted device. So if you've ever been stuck at a login screen asking for something you don't have, this is the easiest workaround. Just open the desktop or web version, scan the QR code from your phone, and you're in. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.